What's up, YouTube? Got another video today. Today's I'd say a different type of video. So as you guys can probably tell by the title, you know, I am going to be driving my boy Nano's car. You guys probably remember him from the first video I made. But yeah, I'm low-key excited to see how this goes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm 80% just not gonna hit on his car, just because like the power difference in my car and his car is low-key, like, even though he's like full bolt-on stage 2 and I'm stock, power difference is crazy. Just like the way the whole car feels completely different. So yeah, I'm gonna just give it a little baby pulls, baby hits, nothing crazy, a little nighttime POV drive, you know. But yeah, I'm about to go meet up with him right now and then catch you guys there. Just pulled up Star. We got a little Heritage. We got M5 Sandy right there. I'll put his ad there. Probably cleanest M5 STL. We got Nano's here. I'm about to take this bitch on a drive. Low-key hype. We got a little F90. But yeah, about to take it on a drive, you know, see how it feels. I'm hella excited. I'm not gonna lie, he's never let me drive his car. We just got in the car and man, this car sounds so fucking good, bro. Oh my god. I wish I had like a little microphone to put on the front of it, or just so you guys can hear everything that I'm hearing. Oh my god. This shit is so fire, bro. A little white on white. Individual Moonstone, my bad, not white on white. Individual Moonstone on Silverstone. That's fucking beautiful. Dude, this car is making me want to spend money on my car, bro. Fuck. Dude. I low-key got scared turning in here just because there was a cop literally right next to me. But fuck it, you know? He turned away, so... This shit is so nice, bro. Bogum. There's a car behind me, low-key on my ass, but we'll be good. We'll be straight. Probably about to drive this, you know, get a little POV going, go to QT. I don't know why. I felt like making a tradition. Every single video, I'm gonna go to QT and I'm gonna spend some money on a scratcher. You know, you guys can see my luck. If I win, I win. If I don't, I just don't win. So yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, continue the video with just like a little POV drive. I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna just, you know, let the car go. Dude, I can't get enough of these burgles, bro. Fuck, man. Shit is so nice. Fuck, bro. Dude, I had a video planned up for you guys as well. That shit, like, you'll see in the video what I mean, but it didn't go as we planned. I literally, everything was getting ready. This was low-key like a last-second video, but fuck. turbo spool in this car is dead ass crazy, bro. I think I dead ass would never get bored of driving this car. Dude, I could never get bored of those intakes, bro. Oh my god. About to pull up in the QT right now. I don't know how much we about to drop on a scratcher, but shit, hopefully enough to buy some intakes, bro. Dude, drinking Sprite, unhealthy ass boy. Let's see if we cooking, bro. Let's see if we cooking. I'm hoping today's a lucky day. My luck has been so bad. I'm being so serious. I maybe spent 200 and won nothing. So we're about to see. About to see. Yeah, we only scratching the bottom. I'm not gonna lie. Nobody got time to scratch the whole thing. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, well, that's fire. I just doubled my bread. Shit, we're good, bro. We're good. It's gonna be a good video. It's gonna be a good video. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Doubled the bread and put it away. Dude, even just chilling at the gas station, this shit looks fucking beautiful, bro. That color shines. Dude, I don't know how big bro's fucking exhaust tips have to fucking be. God fucking damn, I'm trying to do whatever that is. Yeah, this shit looks so nice and aggressive, just even at a gas station, bro. I'm gonna put his channel down below. If anyone who's watching this, you know, wants to check his shit out too, feel free to. That's my boy. You know, we're on the way to get some grub right now. Got a little cruise going on. Mr. Famous CS over here. Yeah, got a little CLS. Behind us. Yeah, that should be wrapping up the end of this video though. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. You know, I didn't do anything crazy. You know, probably most of you guys were expecting me to hit on it a lot. But honestly, I enjoyed driving it just for how it was. Cause, you know. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this type of content, you know, let me know down below. I can see what else I can do if I can get more POV drive videos in other cars. But yeah, should be wrapping up this video. I'm gonna try and get another one uploaded for you guys about next week. I did have that one video planned. Those parts should be coming in soon because I got new ones. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.